how to use Cash App in Europe. So I'm from Europe, as you can tell from my accent, and as you can see, I have access to Cash App, the Cash App application. Now we will need a few things if we want to get Cash App running in Europe. So the first thing that you want to do is get NordVPN. Now you can click the link in the description, the top link, or what you can do is also go to the pinned comment and get NordVPN through there. It's going to be an affiliate link and it is required in order to get Cash App running. So after you get NordVPN, it is going to look like this. So you will just log into your account and then you want to select the United States. This is basically going to connect you to a United States server so you can use Cash App. Okay, so that was the first step. So you get NordVPN, you connect to the United States. Now, what we want to do is, now the next step will be just Googling Cash App, BlueStacks, and you want to click on this first link that pops up. This is going to be the emulator that runs Cash App and that lets us use Cash App. So here I will just click on Play Cash App on PC, and this is going to download the program itself or the application itself. Okay, so click on the .exe file that pops up here, and this is going to, I'm just going to click on yes, and this is going to install Cash App. So here it should say install instead of launch, but I already have it, and that's why it doesn't show up as install. So simply install BlueStacks and Cash App, and then once you have done this, it's going to look like this. Here you will have Cash App on your PC, and if I click on it, it's going to load up like this, and you can use Cash App on your computer, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.